Good day everyone! Welcome sa panibagong episode ng ating Madrid Tips. So before we proceed with our topic for today, we would like to congratulate everyone sa ating mga bagong graduates for batch 2018. Congratulations guys! So today, we'll be discussing some tips on how to jumpstart your career. So this is very timely and relevant para sa ating mga bagong graduates. Okay? Okay. So number one tip on how to jumpstart your career is to craft a professional curriculum vitae and cover letter. Isa ito sa mga pinaka-essential na tip para ma-jumpstart ang iyong career. Number two tip, internship and volunteer jobs. Isa itong essential tip para if you want to jumpstart your career dahil makaka-boost ito or makakadagdag ito sa work experience mo, that will greatly boost your chance of landing a job. Just like in Madrid Philippines, they offer internships and possible on-job training. Number 3 tip, leverage on job websites and social media. Sa panahon ngayon, ang mga employers natin naghahanap na ng mga possible employees nila through social media and job websites. Tulad din natin, or tulad ng mga applicants and fresh graduates natin, they get to find their employers through social media. So it is very important to have an impressive accounts on social media and job websites. Number 4 tip, get additional skills. It doesn't mean na kapag graduate ka na, tumitigil yung ating pag-aaral. Sabi nga nila, life is a continuous learning process. So it is very important na kung saan ka mahilig or kung ano yung skills na gusto mong gawin, you get to develop this by enrolling to night class, to seminars, and to workshops. Number 5 tip, last but not the least, and probably the most important tip on how to jumpstart your career is the continual development. Mahalaga talaga na may pagpatuloy mo ang development mo professionally and personally. It is by attending seminars, workshops, classes, and taking other courses. Sa pamamagitan nito, madidevelop mo din ang personality mo dahil makikisalamuha ka sa iba't ibang klase ng tao. And that's it for our tip for today, the 5 tips on how to jumpstart your career. So what are you waiting for? Be part of our awesome family. Make it happen in Makati, make it happen with Madrid Philippines.